finally here. After a 14-hour, 900-mile epic drive into 60-mile-an-hour headwinds, we're finally here in Denver. And we're here in Denver to attend the International Ground Source Heat Pump Association's annual conference. This conference is all about geothermal. Manufacturers, distributors, they're all here from across the country. Let's go find out more about what's going on at IGSHPA. Headquartered on the campus of Oklahoma State University in Stillwater, Oklahoma, the International Ground Source Heat Pump Association is a non-profit, member-driven organization established in 1987 to advance ground source heat pump technology on local, state, national, and international levels. IGSHPA utilizes state-of-the-art facilities for conducting ground source heat pump system installation training and geothermal research. IGSHPA is the ideal bridge between the latest technology and the people who benefit from these developments, you, the consumer. This year, the 2010 IGSHPA Technical Conference and Expo was held in Denver, Colorado, and was attended by over 700 registered attendees, making it the best attended conference to date. IGSHPA Executive Director, Dr. Jim Bose, talked with us about the mission of this organization.
It's an association of members who put together training, standards development, outreach, and do research in some cases. So our idea is to make sure that systems are put in by quality people doing a quality job under guidelines that have been set by this peer review organization that takes a look to see what is required to have a good and happy outcome versus what happens when something goes wrong. So we want to make sure that it's done right the first time and that the customer is pleased.
So what is a geothermal heat pump and how does it work? Ground source heat pumps are electrically powered systems that tap the stored energy of the greatest solar collector in existence, the Earth. These systems use the Earth's relatively constant temperature to provide heating, cooling, and hot water for residential homes and commercial buildings. That's right, there's no fossil fuel used directly by a geothermal heat pump, except for the fossil fuel used to create the electricity consumed to run the system. In my opinion, the combination of a solar PV or solar electric system and a geothermal heat pump is a very efficient means of heating and cooling your home or business. Geothermal heat pumps are characterized by high upfront costs and low operational costs compared to other HVAC systems. Their overall economic benefit depends primarily on the relative costs of electricity and fuels like propane, natural gas, and fuel oil, which vary widely across the country. In general, a homeowner may save anywhere from 20 to 60% annually on utilities by switching from a high-efficiency fossil fuel system to a geothermal system. However, many installations are reported to use much more electricity than their owners had expected. This is often due to poor design, inadequate installations, and under-trained installation contractors. Our website, whoknowsthisstuff.com, exists to better educate consumers about the geothermal process and how to ask the right questions to get a properly designed system. Richard Hiles from Climate Master, the largest geothermal heat pump manufacturer in the world, talks about new innovations and the need for more education at all levels.
As we have great events like this, the IGSHPA Conference in Denver 2010, I can't stress the importance for everybody for education. Education for contractors, how they put these systems in to do it right, that we have successful installations. Education for the consumers of what the technology is and the many, many benefits geothermal heating and cooling will bring to the homeowners. Education for everybody of this type system, how it helps utility companies reduce their peak loads, what the good things it does for the environment by reducing greenhouse gases. So Climate Master offers their own education classes as well as many other classes are available out here in the industry, and the education that we do for the consumers helps everybody win in the long run. And you can learn about some of these great ideas at whoknowsthisstuff.com, a great website for you to visit.
Whoknowsthisstuff.com spoke with some of the conference exhibitors and asked the question, why is this conference important to you and the geothermal industry?
And we're very happy to be at the IGSHPA Conference this year in Denver, a very important event for the geothermal heating and cooling industry. We're here to introduce a brand new geothermal heat pump product to add to our range of products. We have traditionally been known for manufacturing hydronic products, energy distribution, heating and cooling distribution products, energy storage, and environmental products. And we feel that this is a very important addition to our technological offering or our product offering. It fits very well together with the in-floor radiant heating products that we manufacture, systems, and certainly integrates well with the thermal solar products that we've been involved with now for a period of time in North America. So, in a nutshell, that's what we're here for. We're excited to be at the conference, good turnout, and just pleased to be able to have something new to talk about.
Today we're here at the show to show our horizontal directional drill to install geothermal loops horizontally. I guess the great thing about doing it horizontally is for residential, some small compact areas where you can't get a big vertical rig. And that's where I think we come into play in the industry. The show here is great. We get to see a lot of the new products that come out, and it's great for education for not only us as manufacturers, but for the people that come to the show to learn about geothermal. So,
as we're seeing growth in the geothermal industry, it's great to have a big conference like this. Climate Master being the major manufacturer in the geothermal industry, we want to sell and share new technologies and new ideas with the contractors that actually do the installations. IGSHPA, being the training arm of the geothermal industry, has different conferences and seminars where the guys can learn about new technologies, new ideas for installations, and then learn about new products and innovative ideas like this that come along that can help them out in the marketplace, help them be successful with the homeowners that are looking to save energy and do this with this type of a product, as well as the many other products that Climate Master offers in their overall product line, again, being the largest geothermal manufacturer in the industry. So great to have an event like this where a training arm comes together with the other people in the industry, and the contractors get an opportunity to get educated and move forward to be successful with geothermal.
I've seen the data that states geothermal technologies account for around 1 to 2% of all HVAC system installations in the country. The United States geothermal market is in its infancy when compared to other locations in the world, such as Scandinavia. In order for geothermal heat pump installations to increase substantially, manufacturers and distributors identified a very important component. Consumer and contractor awareness of the benefits of geothermal heat pumps must increase, and more contractors must be properly trained. Our mission at WhoKnowsThisStuff.com is to educate the consumer and the contractor on all renewable technologies. It's what we do every day. I hope this segment has opened your eyes to this highly efficient technology and how it can play a major role in decreasing our dependence on fossil fuels to heat and cool our homes and to save you money. Who knows this stuff? We do, simplifying renewable energy.